Hi, John. My name's Kayla. I spoke with someone at the office and let them know that I would send over a quick video here that I made and just kind of showing you, a little bit about your website and some things that I do just to help local business owners bring in more business online. So I'm going to hit really three topics today. The first one's going to be content or keywords. The second's going to be citations, and the third one will be backlinks. And I'll kind of explain here in a minute what those are. And then the other thing I wanted to point out is there's two different ways to rank online. There's the map pack ranking, so that's anything that comes right under this map here in these businesses here. And then anything down here below the map pack are going to be your organic rankings. So if I refer to organic, this is what I mean down here, and the map pack rankings are going to be right under the map. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I found here. I pulled up Carpet Cleaning Pittsburgh PA. Now it does look like you offer some different services, so I definitely, can help you target whatever business is bringing you in the most income, really. I mean, whatever clients you want to target, we can go ahead and do that. So just wanted you to see here, doesn't look like you're ranking in the map pack for carpet cleaning. Okay, so you're down here. So definitely, some work to do as far as that goes. And really the main thing that's going to help you rank on the map pack are going to be your citations. So the citations are just where your business information, the name of your business, the address, and the phone number are all listed on other platforms online. So that's really what is ranking you on the map pack. And then I'm just going to go back here to see organic ranking wise where you're at. I'm not seeing you on the first page here, and really in the world we live in today, everything, instant gratification. If you're not on the first page, you're not bringing in any of the traffic that's being looked for, for the keywords that people are looking for. So I'm just going to see here, I'm just going to plug into your site, and I'll also pull up a competitor just to kind of give you a point of reference of where the people that are ranking are at. So organic keywords, you do have 220, which is definitely good. I want to see where your competitors are at here. And then 46 referring domains are giving you 133 backlinks. So 46, not bad, but again, it really just depends on what your competition is doing. So I want to go in here and see what keywords you are ranking for. And so I'm really looking for things that are Pittsburgh. So carpet cleaning Pittsburgh. This is where, your money's at. This is 150 search volume a month. Carpet cleaning Pittsburgh, 150. So just adding the PA is 100. So between those two, there's 250 searches for this a month. And all that traffic is going to those first two or three organic ranked sites. And then some to those top map pack searches as well, the ones that are ranked top couple in the map pack. But as you can see here, your position on these, so you're 23, so that's on page 3 of Google, and then page 25. So definitely some work that we could do to get you pulled up to that first page, no problem. And like I said, I'll pull up some of the competitors here to see what we would need to do to outrank them. But basically what I look at, like I said, the content and keywords. So you really want to target specific keywords that are being searched for. So we see, this is where the volume's at, is the carpet cleaning. Hardwood floor refinishing. So if that's something you do, absolutely want to get you ranked. Let's see here. So this is really the carpet stuff. So definitely a lot of opportunity to get you ranked in those first couple positions. The second thing was the backlinks that I referred to. So I kind of want to see where you're, let's look here. They're number 1, Roth Carpet Cleaning. Copy their thing here, put them into the folder that I have, see where they're at. Because they're getting the traffic. I mean, okay, so they're number 1 position for Carpet Cleaning Pittsburgh, number 2 for Carpet Cleaning Pittsburgh. Commercial carpet cleaning number 2. I mean, they're getting all of this traffic to their site. So I'm going to go and see what their keyword count's looking like. So they have 92 referring domains. So definitely, some more. and right about the same keywords. So it really seems like it's their backlinks that are driving a lot of that authority, which we can absolutely get you backlinks, get you the exact keywords and content that you would need to rank for the specific targeted keywords you would like to rank for. And then the citations. We would absolutely be able to get you as many citations as we need to make sure you're ranking on at map pack as well. So we want you, top 3 here, and we want you top 2, top 3 in here. And there's a lot of opportunity to do that. That's kind of how I actually stumbled on your business, is just because I was doing some more research in the area, looking to see where I can provide some value to some local business owners. So if you want to hear more about it or talk some more, I would love to chat and kind of just take a deeper dive into what your business goals are. And, maybe you can't take on any more clients right now. Maybe your phone's ringing off the hook, and that's fine. But if you are, looking for more clients or looking to maybe scale the business at all, I would love to have a conversation with you and see how I can help you out and get you ranked on these, top spots on Google and the map packs. So feel free to reach out, text, call. My number is 814-440-4621. And I look forward to talking with you. Have a great day.